How to make your hair longer and dark with coffee and ginger. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things related to healthy living. Today, we have an exciting topic for you. How to make your hair longer and darker using two natural ingredients, coffee and ginger. Many of us desire strong, luscious hair, and with the help of these ingredients, we can achieve just that. So, without further ado, let's dive into the wonderful world of coffee and ginger for hair care. Benefits of coffee for hair. Coffee, a popular beverage enjoyed by millions worldwide, offers numerous benefits for our hair as well. Let's discover how it can contribute to making our hair longer and darker. Promoting hair growth. The caffeine present in coffee can stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. When applied topically, it increases blood circulation to the scalp, providing nourishment to the hair roots. Strengthening hair. The antioxidants found in coffee, such as polyphenols, help to strengthen the hair shaft and reduce breakage. This results in longer and healthier hair over time. Darkening hair color. Coffee contains natural pigments that can darken the hair color, especially when used consistently. This is a great option for individuals looking to enhance their natural hair color or cover up grays. Ginger for hair health. Ginger, a versatile root with numerous health benefits, also holds great potential when it comes to hair care. Let's explore how ginger can contribute to longer and darker hair. Boosting hair growth. Ginger contains essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids, which are beneficial for hair growth. It helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring the hair follicles receive adequate nutrients for optimal growth. Treating dandruff and dry scalp. The antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger make it an excellent natural remedy for dandruff and dry scalp. By reducing scalp irritation, ginger helps maintain a healthy environment for hair growth. Strengthening hair. Ginger contains antioxidants that can nourish and strengthen the hair strands from within. It helps prevent hair breakage, leading to longer and stronger hair. Coffee and ginger hair mask recipes. Now that we understand the benefits of coffee and ginger for our hair, let's move on to some practical applications. I'll be sharing two simple and effective hair mask recipes that combine the power of coffee and ginger. Coffee and ginger hair growth mask. For this mask, you'll need 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl to form a smooth paste. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, massaging gently. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, allowing the nutrients to penetrate the scalp and hair. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo as usual. Coffee and ginger hair darkening mask. For this mask, you'll need 3 tablespoons of coffee grounds, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 1 cup of brewed coffee, cooled, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, Instructions. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl to create a thick paste. Apply the mixture evenly to your hair, from roots to ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the mask on for 1 to 2 hours. Rinse your hair thoroughly with water and shampoo as usual. Additional tips for hair care. While coffee and ginger are effective for promoting longer and darker hair, it's essential to adopt a holistic approach to hair care. Here are a few additional tips to maximize the benefits. Maintain a balanced diet. Eating a nutritious diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins is crucial for hair health. Include foods like leafy greens, eggs, nuts, and fish in your meals to provide your hair with the necessary nutrients. Regular scalp massages. Massaging your scalp regularly stimulates blood circulation and promotes hair growth. You can use essential oils like lavender or rosemary oil for added benefits. Protect your hair. Protect your hair from excessive heat styling, UV rays, and harsh chemicals. Use heat protectant sprays and wear a hat or scarf when exposed to the sun to prevent damage. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making your hair longer and darker using coffee and ginger. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies, so incorporate these tips into your hair care routine and be patient for noticeable results. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next time with more exciting topics on healthy living. Stay beautiful and be well. Subscribe now and traverse this transformative odyssey with us.